everyone, so Katrine's joining me today again. Lucky you guys. So we're just going to have a quick run through your exercises that you're going to be doing today as a team, just so that nothing's confusing or the likes of. So the first exercise, we're going to need a timer. So Katrine's brought her cell phone. You're going to be timing a minute. You guys are going to split in teams of 2, but your manager will read through this with you. We're just going to give you an example of how it could go. Okay, so Katrine, one of you is the customer, one is not. Katrine's going to be the customer. You guys must think, though, of customer questions you've had before in store, because then obviously it's more realistic and you'd learn from how you could have worked through this scenarios. Okay, so.
All right, and go. Hi, excuse me, how do I use this chalk paint?
Well, using chalk paint depends on what is it that you're going to be doing.
Well, I was going to do it, use it for my nightstand table. I just was wondering if you could tell me how to apply it.
Okay, so your nightstand table, is it made of wood? Is it plastic? Is it metal?
It's made of wood. Does that make a difference?
It doesn't really make a difference because chalk paint can be applied to any surface. I was just wondering, if there was other things on there that we maybe need, like little knobs that need to be taken off, just so I can explain how to do that. Obviously, with regards to wood or metal or plastic, chalk paint can pretty much go on anyway. Is there a specific finish that you're looking for?
Not really. I just saw on the internet that it looks nice. Are there different finishes?
Yes, okay, so you can get like an old school rustic finish, so something that looks worn, or you can get a very smooth finish, and look how quickly a minute goes by. So this is kind of how it goes. Obviously it's not we just flew through that, we didn't even know what we were going to do. So you can see that you can answer the question, but then find a question to answer that find another question to keep engaging with the customer. So did that make sense to you?
Absolutely.
All right, cool. Next one up is difficult customers. So you're all gonna be writing down something on a piece of paper. So Katrine has written Katrine has written something on a piece of paper. You'll all pass it to your left, and once you read the customer complaint, I'm going to have some time to have a think of the background story for this and then a response to the complaint. Okay, so Katrine's written one, and I'm going to read. And the question is, or the complaint is, customer is complaining about the fact that we don't sell scrapbooking kits in our store. Okay, so the scenario behind this is that this customer is annoyed because we used to, if you're in Clearwater Mall or East Rand Mall, we used to sell these in store. She used to always buy them, and now we don't sell them anymore, and she's really irritated because she can't find them anywhere else. So that's the scenario. So she's complaining that we don't anymore. I, as a now staff member at Crafters Market, I can explain to the customer that we do have crafters changing all the time, because we are a retail store that doesn't bring in our own product. We actually offer the opportunity to crafters to trade within malls and in our stores. So therefore, unfortunately, that crafter has left us. We are not sure of the reason. Maybe they retired, maybe they moved to Richards Bay, maybe they moved overseas and immigrated. But regardless, we don't sell those products anymore, and we're really sorry that we can't offer those products anymore. But she could try generally with scrapbooking stuff, because it's not that popular in our country anymore. Finding something online is probably her best solution. So there's online scrapbooking sites, like if you just search online scrapbooking stuff, and that's basically the only place I found stuff. Maybe a P&A if she's lucky, and yeah, that's the scenario. I hope this makes sense, and I hope that you guys have fun doing this. All right.
Over and out.